Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nazif Butcher. Today I have my new collection. These are the new additions to Dalstrong knives. These are the latest 4 new knives, and today I'm gonna share with you each knife and what it's used for. This number 1, Delta Wolf bullnose knife. Let's see this. Wow, look at this beauty. Look at the handle. Beautiful knife, very sharp blade. So this is from high carbon steel to futuristic coatings. Every detail is dialed in for performance. Keep watching and I'll show you what I'm gonna use this for. Number 2, this is the Shadow Black 8-inch Crixus knife. Let's see how this looks. Wow, doesn't it just get better? Totally new design, new shape, that same sharp blade. This is a thinner knife. It's very sharp, easy to maintain. Shadow Black 8-inch Crixus knife. And number 3, we have the Shogun 12-inch Crixus knife. Let's see how this looks. Wow, 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 wow. Look at the design of this. Wow. Look at this. This is built to dominate the butcher block. Beautiful knife, beautiful design, nice balance, nice handle. Again, thin, so very sharp blade. This is our Shogun series 12-inch Crixus knife. And last but not least, my favorite. This is the Gladiator Annihilator knife. This is heavy. This is a nice cleaver, very heavy. Comes with a nice wooden stand. Gladiator Annihilator. Very heavy, perfect for shopping. Okay guys, now time to test out these knives. Please let me know in the comments which knife you think is the best, which one you like, what's your favorite, what you don't like about them. Let's see, let's put them to the test. This is the first one and the next one. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Let's see which knife is your favorite. Wow, I already know which one is my favorite. Guys, let me know which one of these 3 knives is your favorite. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna use this annihilator to annihilate this chicken. Let me know what do you think about this. There you have it guys, all 4 knives put to the test. Thank you for watching.